is the Kenya Drugs Authority that is responsible for the regulation, investigation, inspection, and approval of health products and technologies and related matters. Madam Speaker, the committee, having gone through this bill, made the following observations: that the bill expands the functions of the current Pharmacy and Poisons Board and re-engineers the new regulator based on international best practice in regulation of human health products and technologies, including therapeutic cosmetics. This re-engineering will enable the country attain the recommended World Health Organization maturity level 3. Level 3, Madam Speaker, this is where a national regulatory authority can be trusted and be able to control the manufacture of products to a world-class standards. Madam Speaker, the bill strengthens the functions of the National Quality Control Laboratory, which will improve the quality of test analysis and research for quality control. This in turn ensures that the health products and technologies used in the country meets international quality standards, thereby guaranteeing patient safety. The bill therefore fulfills the country's obligation in the war against poor quality medicines in line with its commitment under the recently ratified African Union establishment of the African Medical Medicines Agency Treaty, which this House ratified, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, this bill strengthens the regulation of medicines by providing a comprehensive regulatory framework which enables the country to comply with good manufacturing practices as efficient under the African Union medical law on regulation of medical products. This ensures that health products and technologies used in the country are safe and effective in line with Section 66 of the Health Act number 21 of 2017. Madam Speaker, this bill also encourages local manufacturing of health products and technologies as exposed in the Kenya Universal Health Coverage Policy 2020 to 2030. The bill is therefore in line with the government's plan of promoting local manufacturing, especially in the pharmaceutical sector, a key contributor of Kenya's economy. The bill will hasten the attainment of the government's vision for national economic transformation. And lastly, Madam Speaker, this bill further improves the availability of health products and technologies and enhances access to priority health products and technologies. The bill also improves the efficiency of operations, quality, and pricing of medicines and vaccines, which are key components and enablers for the successful realization of universal health coverage. Madam Speaker, the committee, having considered this bill, has approved this bill with amendments, and those amendments we shall move them during the committee of the whole House. So I want to urge that those people who are in the public, especially in the pharmaceutical industry, the Pharmaceutical Society of Kenya, Pharmaceutical Association, the pharmaceutical manufacturers, that they hold their horses, and those amendments which have been proposed will be put into consideration by the committee during the committee of the whole House. With those few remarks, Madam Speaker, I want to move. Can I ask Nyikalo or you to second? I want to move and ask the Vice Chair, Honorable Patrick Ndwiga Munene, member for Ikamba-Ng'ombe, to second. I know Dr. Nyikalo is also here to contribute, and he will also be making contributions to this bill. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Seconder, you may proceed.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I stand to second my chair on this bill. And Madam Speaker, as the country moves towards universal health coverage, as envisioned in the vision of the Kenya Kwanza government, we need to note that one of the key pillars of the health sector is health product and technologies, Madam Speaker. And a country that is unable to control and regulate the health products and technologies, Madam Speaker, may not or may miss the mark in achieving the health of its people. Madam Speaker, the pharmaceutical industry in this country for a long time have not been very well regulated, Madam Speaker. That's why at times you find we have had a drug in the shelves for almost a year, like I witnessed last month where we had a cough syrup for babies, and then all of a sudden it withdrawn and we are told that it was not effective.